we go. Sitting on the side of the highway. Went to load a car. This one still bugs me to this day. I think it was last week. And I got all my straps done but one. Had to come on to the driver's side, at the very back of the bed. I look down the highway, see a semi coming. Okay. They move over. No big deal. Look again. He ain't moved over yet. Okay. He still got time. Start doing my strap. Trying to get my strap done. He's still not moved over. Sat my flashlight down on the ground. On the white line. As quick as I could. Ran to in between my truck and my bed. Maybe that flashlight wasn't in between on the white line. Cut the bed. Because when he went past me, he was on that white line. My flashlight wasn't ran over yet. It was knocked over, so he must have blown it over as he was coming by. If I wouldn't have been paying attention, he would have hit me. He was purposely trying to hit me. So I shined my light at him, waved it at him like this, to move over. Didn't move over. Did it again. Didn't move over. Did it again. Faster. Sat it down. Ran. Zoom. You're a truck driver. Next one of you that don't move, I'm throwing my flashlight at you. Promise you that one. Or the biggest, heaviest thing I can possibly find. Hopefully it goes through your window. Because you should have moved over. Because you expect everybody to move over when you break down on the side of the road. But you couldn't move over while I was trying to do that. And you almost killed me. I had just enough time to run. By the time I got to the in between my truck and bed of my trailer, my tow bed, he was passing me. Barely missed me. Then hurry up and winched his wheel over, missed my mirror. Missed it. Purposely tried hitting me. If that wasn't on purpose, I don't know what was. You can't say he wasn't not paying attention or just was distracted. He was 50 feet away, 100 feet away, 25 feet away. I strobed him with my light 3 times. You don't think this is dangerous? When it's my funeral because I got ran over, I'll make sure someone posts the video on here. I'll make sure my funeral's on here. So you know how dangerous this was. Because you guys can't seem to get it in your head yet. I tried being nice about this. But you'll see in the video that I post, car's not moving over. I blew my air horn 30 times before I got out of my truck today to go load this truck. 30 times. That's 30 cars that blew by me in trucks, pickup trucks, that could have got moved over. I didn't blow my horn if you couldn't move over. Uncalled for. You're gonna kill us. Move over. It's the law. You will face federal prison time. It's a federal offense if you hit me or my truck. And you'll get murder charges if I die. We are an emergency vehicle. This is serious. I almost got hit and killed. There's been 3 this week that's died that I've seen. Because you guys don't want to move over. I've showed you guys. It's 2 seconds. Blinker, move. Blinker, move. It takes 2 seconds each time out of your day. Not hard. And you could save a life. Yeah, I'm frustrated. I'm beyond frustrated. Because it's not getting through people's head. You guys can get mad, not subscribe to my channel. Say whatever you guys want to say in the comments about me. I don't care at this point. Nobody's getting it. Move over or slow down. You're gonna kill us. Not just us, fire department, police department. People stranded on the side of the road trying to change their own tire. I don't get it, people. It's not hard. Hit your blinker, move over. Or slow down. There's gonna be more videos of fun stuff and us dinking around, going into the stores. I just had to get it out of my chest because I'm tired of almost getting hit. Maybe we'll do a video of us doing something fun out in the yard. I don't know. Maybe we can get away with that. Like I said, I do enjoy what I do. If I die doing what I do, at least I died happy. I will die with my boots on. But it shouldn't come down to that because you don't want to move over. I don't know much else what to say about that. I won't. But we'll do some more videos. I'm thinking about doing a lip music video with some of the songs. Tell me what you guys think about that. You guys probably didn't see this whole video or watch the whole video or whatever anyway. If you did, tell me what you think about us doing that. We could put a couple of our tow beds together. And Old Town. I'm thinking about doing something with that. So tell me what you think. If you think that'd be something funny to watch, as tow guys do, I think I could talk a couple of them into doing it. If you got a particular video, music video you want us to react or redo, as tow guys on the back of our tow beds. It is snowing. It is winter out here. We got snow and ice. So we're going to try our best to accommodate what you guys want. I did get a hoverboard, as you saw in the other videos. Once this stuff is gone and all melted, there will be more hoverboard videos to come. Maybe we can get... I got one of the other guys said he's going to do some videos for you. Battery guy can't do any videos. He's doing fun videos with me. As you've seen, the one on the hoverboard was my battery guy. Cool guy. We're gonna think about doing some music videos together. Back to truck beds. So tell me what you think. What your interests are. We're gonna go into stores and cause some havoc. We're not taking the hoverboard into the store. We will get banned for permanently. We will ride bikes, play football, or play with toys in the store. That's something you guys want us to do. Let me know in the comments below. It's kind of your guys' domain to kind of tell us what you want us to do. We're up for suggestions. I'll do a video tomorrow of what's going on with my truck. If I'm up and running or not. Maybe show you some more of what I do when I'm not running. Technically, tomorrow is supposed to be my day off anyway, I guess. That's what I was told. I didn't think tomorrow was my day off. Thought I had to wait a week. I'll take it. I won't wait a week for a day off. I'm good with that. If you think I should shave my beard, tell me. And not my family. You don't get to decide. No.